I want to talk to you about personal loans, no doc, low doc, that pull Experian this year. Let's talk about that. You can qualify for a maximum loan amount for like $50,000. Let me first share with you the top loans here. So if you're looking for a personal loan, no doc, low doc that pulls Experian, think about Credit Ninja. So Credit Ninja is really great in terms of flexibility, but also in terms of speed. Okay, with Credit Ninja, you can get a maximum loan amount of like a maximum of 5,000 and a minimum of 500. Not a lot, but hey, listen, the cool thing is that you can get approved real fast, okay? But maximum loan amount here, $5,000. And with Credit Ninja, not only do they pull Experian, they also allow you to apply online easily. So you can also find out if you qualify. In other words, with Credit Ninja, you have a possibility of a soft pull. So they don't actually do like a hard pull right away. You can get a soft pull to see if you qualify or if you pre-qualify, if you will, and how much you could qualify for. So that's really good in terms of flexibility and also in terms of giving you the kind of options you should be looking into. So that's really fantastic. So with Credit Ninja, the cool thing is that they pull Experian, and if you have a minimum FICO score of 500 with Credit Ninja, they will approve you, even though they have actually they have been known to approve even lower credit scores in the past. So that's really good. And Credit Ninja actually is available nationwide. So regardless of where you are at, okay, the city and state where you are at, you can still qualify for a Credit Ninja personal loan, no doc, low doc. Now, there are cases where they might ask for low documentation, depending on the states where you are at, because states have different rules regarding loans and lines of credit, and Credit Ninja has to abide by the states where you are at to actually request from you some documentation. But if they actually ask for documentations, they usually for documentation rather, they usually ask for let's say a pay stub or your tax return, like your 1040 for the last 3 years, or they might even ask for bank statements, like bank statements to see what kind of inflows and cash outflows you have. If you're looking for a personal loan, no doc, low doc that pulls Experian, I want you to think about Advanced America. So Advanced America is pretty well known in terms of giving you access to loans and lines of credit. Okay, so if you are looking for a loan or line of credit, you want to really think about Advanced America. And Advanced America is way better than Credit Ninja in the sense that here you have a lender that pulls Experian and also gives you a lot of cash. So maximum $50,000 depending on your state. So that's really so your state, as I said a little earlier, your state's regulation will actually have a big impact on how much you can qualify for if you were to go through Advanced America. Okay, and the cool thing about Advanced America is that not only do they give you a personal loan, no doc, low doc, but they also give you all kinds of loans. Like you have payday loans, you have installment loans, you have title loans, you have cash advances, you have lines of credit, you have online loans, emergency loans, and you have personal loans. So you can see that Advanced America is a pretty comprehensive lender that looks at a variety of loan possibilities. So if you are really looking for a loan and you want to get funded real fast, think about Advanced America. So let me give you the number you want to call now. So you have 1-866-261-5166. 1-866-261-5166. So that's pretty good if you're looking for a personal loan, no doc, low doc that pulls Experian. So Advanced America actually, let's say they do not cover. Like I said a little earlier, that they are actually they're available nationwide. That's not true because they're available in about 30 to 35 states, and there are some states where they are still working on getting their banking regulation, their banking license. Okay, let me give you the states where they are present right now. So they are in Alabama, California, Colorado, Delaware, Florida, Idaho, Indiana, Iowa, Kansas, Kentucky, Louisiana, Michigan, Mississippi, Missouri, Nevada, Ohio, Oklahoma, Rhode Island, South Carolina, Tennessee, Texas, Utah, Wisconsin, and Wyoming. So this is actually the geography where Advanced America is currently present. If you're looking for a personal loan, no doc, low doc that pulls Experian, I want you to think about reliable personal loans. So reliable personal loans is actually a pretty good network. So here you don't have a direct lender, you have a network, a large network of lenders. Okay, so you have multiple lenders actually competing for your business. So that's really good. So the network is called Reliable Personal Loans. And the cool thing here is that you are able to request a loan regardless of your credit score. Okay, and on top of that, you can have a personal loan, no doc, low doc that pulls Experian through reliable personal loans, and you also have an online decision making process. So streamlined loan request system gets you answers real fast. So that's really good, and you can also get cash like as far as tomorrow. That's really good. So and by the way, the maximum you can get through reliable personal loans is $40,000. So that's actually the maximum their network members have agreed to in the past. So $40,000. So if you're looking for a personal loan, no doc, low doc that pulls Experian, all that actually pulls Experian for a maximum loan approval of $40,000. Think about the reliable personal loans. Okay, and the cool thing is that you can actually pay them like through the app. So this is kind of cool. And one thing I want to say also is that you can use the cash for a lot of things. So some lenders want to impose restrictions on the use of loan proceeds. Some lenders have like all kinds of paperwork you have to go through. Reliable personal loans is pretty streamlined. So the process is pretty streamlined. So you are able to get things done real fast. So that's really fantastic. Okay. And also one thing I need to say here is that they pull Experian, and if you have a minimum FICO score of 300, reliable personal loans can still qualify you. If you're looking for a personal loan, no doc, low doc that pulls Experian this year, I want you to consider Ace Cash Express. So when you think about Ace Cash Express, granted, you don't have a large loan amount because the maximum loan amount you get through Ace Cash Express is 2,000. Okay, you don't get the 40 grand or the 50 grand that the other players are giving you. They're giving you 2 grand. But hey, listen, it's still it's still good anyway. So Ace Cash Express pulls Experian. You have payday loans, you have cash advances, you have installment loans, and you have title loans, among others. So this is kind of cool because Ace Cash Express does they have a lot of locations, so they have a lot of brick and mortar stores for you to cash a check. So that's really good. Okay, so and you have about nearly 50, like they've been in business for more than 50 years, and they have over 850 stores nationwide in 22 states and the District of Columbia. So that's kind of cool in terms of possibility. Okay, and so in addition to loans, to personal loans, no doc, low doc through Ace Cash Express, you are able to have like other services if you go to their store, to their brick and mortar location. You have check cashing, you have MoneyGram, money orders, and money transfers. You have bill pay. You have tax services, including tax refund, check cashing, and cash withdrawals from cards. So that's really good in terms of flexibility. You have ATM services. You have payday loans, installment loans. You have title loans, and you have debit cards. So that's really good. And Ace Cash Express, by the way, will give you the cash within 8 to 18 hours. And the amount, again, maximum $2,000. But the $2,000 will depend on the state where you are at. Some states will give you will limit you in terms of maximum loan amount to 500, and in some cases even 300. For example, Oregon, you are getting a $300, not not the 2,000 that you would get if you were to apply in Missouri, for instance. if you're looking for a personal loan, no doc, low doc that pulls Experian, I want you to think about Brainy Loans this year. And the cool thing about Brainy Loans is that you are able to get approved for a maximum loan amount of 4,000 if you're looking for an installment loan, but the maximum loan amount here is $50,000 if you're looking for a personal loan. Okay, so this is kind of cool. I mean, you have a lot of flexibility there. And when it comes to personal loans, no doc, low doc that pulls Experian, Brainy Loans is a pretty reliable partner for you to consider working with this year. And so with the Brainy Loans, you have a maximum loan amount of $50,000. I think I've said that before. But you have personal loans, for instance. You have debt consolidation loans. You have sorry about that. You have auto loans. You have small business loans. You have mortgage loans, and you have short installment loans. So that's really good in terms of flexibility. That's also very good in terms of accessibility. And the cool thing is, with Brainy Loans, you can use the cash for a variety of proceeds. Actually, like a variety of loan proceeds. You have debt consolidation. You can have a car purchase or repair. You have medical expenses, major purchase, home improvement. You have bills. You have weddings. That's really good. You have vacation. You have business expenses, education, taxes, and other. So that's kind of cool in terms of flexibility. And you also get you get the ability through Brainy Loans, as you can see on the screen. Brainy Loans does a great job in terms of their loan estimator tool. So Brainy Loans actually has this brilliant idea to give you a brilliant idea of giving you an estimate of your loan payments. So you are able to estimate your payments, so you can see where you are at, or where you could be at if you were to get a loan through Brainy Loans. So that's pretty good. It really helps you budget your finances, and that's really good. So if you're looking for a personal loan, no doc, low doc that pulls Experian this year, I want you to consider Brainy Loans. If you're looking for a personal loan, no doc, low doc that pulls Experian also, I want you to think about King of Cash. So King of Cash actually does a great job in terms of giving you the cash real fast. Now, they're not as generous as Brainy Loans because they only give you a maximum loan amount of $50,000. But the good thing about King of Cash is that you have actually no collateral required. So King of Cash is not really asking you to secure the loan. And also, there is no traditional check, like no traditional credit check required. So that's really good. And you don't have to worry about, let's say you have a FICO score of 300 or 350. You don't have to worry about that. You can still get funded, okay? And through King of Cash, you can actually get loans and lines of credit, okay? So you have a lot of possibilities there. You have personal loans, you have lines of credit, you have signature loans, you have online installment loans, you have a rapid cash loans. So that's really good. You have also short-term loans, you have same-day loans, you have $500 loans, and you have $1,000 loans. So you do have a lot of possibilities, especially when it comes to getting your cash real fast, okay? Especially when it comes to like if you have same-day approval, you can still get that through King of Cash. So cool thing is when you want money for anniversaries, vacations, school loans, or when you need money for car repairs, medical expenses, or other emergencies, King of Cash is actually the easy loan store for all your needs, okay? So that's really good because they give you the cash fast. So no matter your reason for needing extra cash, you can have the money you need in no time with one of the King of Cash loans that they actually have, okay? And I just want to insist on that. Even if you have less than stellar credit, you can still qualify for a King of Cash loan. You just make sure that you have all your paperwork, okay? You have all your paperwork. You can apply online, and you can get your cash real fast, especially when you have like your proof of income, for instance, your pay stub, and your bank statements also. So if you are looking for a personal loan, no doc, low doc that pulls Experian, I want you to think about Quick to Lend this year. I mean, this is a pretty interesting lender in the sense that they will give you somewhere like they'll give you quick loans that go from $250 all the way to $3,000, and they'll give it to you real quickly. I mean, I'm talking about less than 4 hours. That's really good. Less than 4 hours, you get your cash real fast. Okay. And the cool thing is, all FICO scores are welcome. So even if you have a FICO score of 300, you can still qualify. So with Quick to Lend, you are actually getting 250 to 3,000, and you can borrow from 3 months all the way to 36 months. Okay. On top of that, Quick to Lend is not really charging you any origination fee like the other lenders. I mean, some lenders do. Okay, like Upgrade or let's say Up Loans, for instance. No, with Quick to Lend, there are zero upfront fees or cost, so you get your cash. You get the whole amount, and also Quick to Lend will fund you. Will release the funds within 4 to 12 hours. So that's really good, and they pay directly the funds to your bank account real fast, and that's really good. Okay. Now, one thing I want to say here is that with Quick to Lend, they have a process in place on their website where they will really first try to soft pull you. They're trying to really pre-qualify you. Okay. And so you can see where you stand at and where they stand at in terms of your application. And if they see some kind of possibility to do business with you, then they will actually will give you pretty nice offers. Okay. So if you're looking for a personal loan, no doc, low doc that pulls Experian, but also gives you a decent amount of loan, like $3,000 maximum, then you want to really think about the Quick to Lend this year. On top of that, and this is a very important thing to mention, Quick to Lend is available nationwide. So not all lenders, you probably have seen that, not all lenders are available nationwide. So Quick to Lend is really available nationwide, and it doesn't matter where you are at, you can still get considered for a loan through this lender. So in today's conversation, here's the bottom line. In today's conversation, I spoke to you about the personal loan, no doc, low doc that pulls Experian. So I give you the top loans and then the bottom line. So top loans include Credit Ninja, you have Advanced America, Reliable Personal Loans, Ace Cash Express, Brainy Loans, King of Cash, and finally, Quick to Lend. Thank you so much. God bless you. I will see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.